Roast all the ingredients except the white pepper. Grind all the ingredients into a fine powder. Tip: I've ground the white pepper with chickpeas and almonds. If you do the same, it won't be as spicy. Heat the ghee. Add almond, chickpea and lotus seeds powder. Now roast it properly until a nice aroma develops. In 15 minutes, the color will change to a golden brown. On this point, add rock sugar. Mix it well. Transfer to a tray. Tip: if you find it difficult to shape the mixture into ladoos, add a little more ghee and try again. Now shape it into ladoos. And it's ready to serve. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy!
If you like the video, subscribe my channel Kitchen Spice.